Guys, so this is another package that I received today, and I ordered it on the 7th of July and I got it today on the 23rd of July, so 16 days including weekend days as well. So I'll just quickly open it so you can see what I've got. So we've got nice packaging as well, which is good. Just to protect it as well, because it came all the way from China, so I ordered it from China. And basically it costs $26.59. We also have to pay GST now in Australia, which kind of sucks, but yeah, I guess you have to for some sites like eBay. Other sites you might not have to pay, such as if you're forwarding shipments from the US. I know sites like Stackery do not charge tax, which is great. So just if you're mindful of paying extra on GST, then try and look for sites that do that. But yeah, it just really depends. So anyway, let's get into opening these. So these are actually wireless, true wireless Bluetooth headphones or earphones. So we'll just open it. So here we go. So we've got like a black box, and we've got some peeling to do as well for plastic, which I do enjoy. Let's just see if we can get it. Yep. So there's the plastic peeling off. Put it here. And we'll get the other one. And just enjoy new plastic feel. Okay, so inside we've got like a button to actually open it, I think. Yep, and there we go. We've actually got the wireless headphones there. We've got two. They say Air TWS, and that's the name you're gonna actually link to on your phone. So what this package does, or box, is that it charges your earbuds, and basically you can charge this case via USB cable here. So that makes things much easier, and it's really portable as well. So yeah. So let me actually pair these earphones up, and then I'll show you the music playing.